Before you move into your Greek home, there is one thing you must do first. Set up utilities. But don't worry, setting up utilities here is not complicated once you know how it works. Hi, I'm Visi from Eltis at Home in Greece, a real estate company with 35 years of experience. Stick in this video, click like, and subscribe for more insights into the Greek property market. Let's break it down, simply and step by step. After completing the buying process, you feel ready to live your dream by stepping into your new home in Greece. But there is a routine process you have to manage before moving in. First of all, electricity. In Greece, it works a bit differently than in some other countries. The power grid is managed by the DEDDIE, the national electricity operator, but you don't buy electricity directly from them. Instead, you choose a private provider. Of course, you are free to choose whichever provider fits your needs. What you usually need is your property purchase contract, your passport or ID, your Greek tax number called AFIMI, the electricity meter number, and sometimes an electrical inspection certificate, especially for older homes. Once you submit everything, the provider activates the meter or transfers the contract to your name. The process usually doesn't take too long, depending on location, inspection, and whether the meter is already active. Second comes the water supply. This is handled by local municipal water companies called DEDDIE. Each municipality has its own office, but the process is generally simpler than electricity. You will need fewer documents, such as your purchase contract, ID or passport, your AFIMI tax number, sometimes your E9 tax form showing the property under your name. Once approved, water is usually connected quickly. Then you have the internet and possibly telephone setup. Internet connectivity in Greece has improved a lot in recent years. There are some popular providers like Cosmote, Vodafone or Nova who usually ask for ID or passport, your AFIMI tax number, the property address. Most providers will schedule an installation appointment. If you are on an island or in a rural or mountainous area, Starlink is available in Greece. This is satellite internet and works almost anywhere, as long as you have power and a clear view of the sky. It's more expensive, but some homeowners choose it for reliability in remote locations. A common question we hear from new homeowners is, do I need assistance to connect my utilities? Technically, you can set up utilities on your own, but many international buyers prefer help because most forms are in Greek. Some documents are tax-related. Each municipality works differently, and you often need to visit offices in person. That's why many real estate agencies, like Eltis, help their clients handle utilities, especially if they live abroad or don't speak Greek. Many people also ask if they can set up utilities before the purchase is finalized, but the answer is no. Utilities can only be officially placed in your name after the ownership transfer is completed. Adding utilities to your home in Greece is a necessary step, but it doesn't have to be stressful. With the right documents and the right support, you can enjoy your new home without delays. If you're buying property in Greece and need support with utilities or bureaucracy, professional assistance can save your time. Check this video next, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about real estate in Greece.